I know what it feels like to wonder if there's something wrong with you. Right now, your wife is frustrated. She's distant, but maybe she's even gone. And you're stuck asking yourself, why can't I get this right? Why does she always say that I'm too much or not enough? Am I broken? Well, I'm going to tell you, no, you're not broken. Let me say that again. You are not broken. You've been told you're too emotional, too close off, too needy, too distant, too soft, too hard, too much. And when that message is repeated enough by her, by your past, even your own thoughts, you start to believe it. You start thinking, maybe I'm just defective. But that's not really the truth. The truth is, you're not broken. You're just becoming the man you were always meant to be. You were never shown how to lead with your heart and your spine. No one taught you how to be kind without collapsing, to be confident without controlling. You never had a strong, emotionally grounded man say, this is how you love. This is how you lead. This is how you show up as a creator in your life rather than a reactor. So you did what you knew. You fumbled, you chased, you over-explained, you tried to keep the peace, you tried to please, but deep down, you've always known that there's more inside you. And that's why you're here, because you're waking up. You're done being the nice guy. You're done waiting for her to tell you who the hell you are. You're ready to become the man you were born to be. And you don't have to do it alone. Hi, I'm Charlie McKeever, your Happy Man coach, and it's time to book a private call with me. Let's cut to the heart of what's really going on with your life and get clear about what you really want for yourself and your marriage. Keeping the peace at all cost is too high of a price to pay, and you don't have to live this way. You're not broken. And in addition to the phone call, I'll also introduce you to a community of men who are confidently navigating the storms of marriage, separation, and divorce together. Because remember, you're not alone. I'll also tell you how you can join our weekly calls. If you're tired of believing the lie that you're broken, if you're ready to stop apologizing for being yourself, if you're ready to be happy again, then do this. Visit happymancoaching.com and book your free Happy Man coaching call. I guarantee after that call, you'll have more confidence in yourself and your ability to be okay when she is not okay. You're stronger than you think. You are actually built for this, and you can do this. Visit happymancoaching.com, book that call, and I'll talk to you soon.